Good evening to everyone. Uh, After about 5 days, we are meeting. So, welcome to all of you. Now, last week, can somebody tell me where did we leave? At which point? Can somebody tell us? We left at which point? வெளியே சொல்ல முடியுமா? எந்த பாயிண்ட்ல we left it?
So we discussed about this index commands.
Okay, index and match we discussed.
Yes, this.
Index and match we discussed. Okay, is there any doubt on that? Anybody who worked has any doubt? Can you please tell me? That is what I want to know before we proceed. Because the index and match, we have come to a particular thing. Now we will have to proceed. So if anybody is sitting with a laptop, then I definitely request you to put on your laptop also, and side by side we will work. That also is possible. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I will share my screen. So we were in the same place. We will get back to that particular thing where we were there earlier. We were in this. We had a custom dashboard, if you remember. Then we went to this customer we wanted to do. So we went from this point that we were going ahead. So what all we did was we went and put this, and then we put all those VLOOKUP commands and all, and then we did. Am I right? That is what we did. Okay, fine. Now what we will do, we want this order history here. Acha, can somebody guide me how to do this customer name, how I should get? Can somebody guide me, please, so that we will do it once more. Only customer, and we will see the contact name as a VLOOKUP. Remaining you people know how to do, so we will not worry. Yeah, somebody can help me. Customer, how do I get the drop down menu here? Yes, please.
First, we have to select the table concern.
Okay. Now, first, what I will have to do, I will have to go to customer info. Am I right?
Customer, yes, sir. From
Customer
that, we have to
info.
select that.
I will select all the things, all the column.
Oh, yes,
That is
sir.
what
Yes.
that is what you are telling. Am I right?
Yeah, yes, sir. We can select all, or even the
And
first
then-
column. It's,
And you come back here and put it here.
we have to make a reference here, sir, from here.
How do you? Please give me. That's what I want to know. How it is done. Because that is, see, this is a refresher. Otherwise, we will again forget.
Okay. So we have to put equal to,
So-
and we have to select this column A in table number 1, that is customer info.
That is what customer name is here. We will do that. There is no issue. Then we have come back here. Then what happens?
We have to go to data.
You're right, but then we should not select first. So we will come out of this selection. Okay. This selection
Okay,
is on. We should not have this selection. What do we want here actually? We wanted a
Drop down.
drop down. So that means drop down can be done side through a data validation. Am I right? So we go to data. Then 1 minute, let me take it down. Yeah, data validation, you are right. then we we go to data, then we go here as validation. Am I right? Data validation. This is what we are
Data
supposed to do.
validation.
So we data validate, then we don't want any value. What do we want? We
List.
want a list.
List.
And where is this source? And we want in this list, we wanted to ignore blank because on that day somebody asked me, sir, what happens if it is going to be more number of columns? What do I do? Then I said, don't worry, more number of columns if you have, then you will have to put a blank up to row you can select. So I will have to now select the source. Am I right? And where is the source? The source is here. Now we will have to select A2 to A92. Right? So now if I click, now I get the drop down menu here. Am I right? This is how it is done. Is that clear to all of you? First, we will have to, whenever you want a drop down menu, what you will have to do is, you will have to go to the data validation, make the drop down menu now. It's clear now? Now after that, let us say around the on, now we wanted, let us say the contact name, because now only one we will do remaining. How do we do this? Contact name we wanted from a VLOOKUP. So we write VLOOKUP, open bracket, we go for the help. So VLOOKUP value is where? It is in B3. What is the table array? We are here, table array, the complete table. Okay, from here to I think it was J, if I am not mistaken, J. And where is the contact name? It is in column number 3. Now we got the name, Thomas Hardy. It's available here. I don't know how many of you are able to see this. Are you able to see Thomas Hardy here?
Yes, sir. We are able to see this.
Yes.
Thomas Hardy has come automatically. Okay. Now I say enter. So I got Thomas Hardy. So after that, we completed everything. I think we must have completed everything. So we will not get into again this. In this only we came in case if the first row doesn't have the company name, it is in the 7th row. How do we do that? Okay? We did all those things, and we also made one more thing. We in some names fax was not there, so we used if VLOOKUP value is 0, then put not available. Otherwise, put the VLOOKUP. That if and VLOOKUP also we have seen, and then we have seen index and match also. So till this, I think we did on that day. Am I right? Okay. Now we will proceed. Now what do we want? We want the order history here. That is, we want this one. So now in this order history, what all I have? I got the contact name, phone, fax, city, region, postal code, country. All these things are same for one customer. So I don't want that to be repeated time and again. Is that correct? So let me go to order information. In order information, what all is getting repeated? Address, city, region, postal, country. So if you really look at it, all these things are already here. City, region, postal, country, all those things. So we don't want, what do we want actually? We wanted in this, we wanted in this place the order details for around the horn. Am I right? For around the horn, whatever is there, I want everything to appear in this place for around the horn. So in this place, I want. This is my requirement. Next requirement. How do we do? Order information is where it is available in order info. So what we will do, we will now take the keep your cursor in any single column and select the whole table. Is that clear now? How do you select everything in a table? We'll again do that. Keep anywhere. See, one way of doing it is keep it here and then go on be dragging, and it is 891 rows and so many columns. It is very cumbersome. So what we will do, we will just go click anywhere, control. Acha, sorry, I forgot. So we don't need this ship address and all these things we don't need. So we will remove them first. So ship address. So we will remove all these things because these are all not needed. Now there is one more thing we did. How many of you remember? This is a choose. We used an option. Do you remember long back? If it is 1, it is Speedy Express, 2, United Package, 3, Federal Shipping. You remember? Anyone remember this? How did we do? This was the formula. Now here it is 1. We don't want, we want the shipper name to appear. So what we can do, we take this, copy the whole thing and come here. And what I am supposed to do now, can somebody tell me? I will have to paste. Am I supposed to paste or I am supposed to do something else? Can somebody answer me? If I paste, what will happen? I will again show you this one. What is this?
Insert cell.
No, what is this?
Insert the cell.
No, is it a Speedy Express or what it is here? What is the value of this cell?
So you have to space special.
Yes, value of the
Oh.
spell is Speedy Express, but content of the cell is this formula. So if I simply paste, again it will give a problem. So what we will have to do? Copy.
Insert cut cell.
No, insert nahi. Copy. Paste special. We have a paste option. No, paste special. We want only the value. The moment I did the value, now you can see because it was 1, 2, 3. This 1, 2, 3 is not there. So this has become wrong. Is that understood? Because whoever has attended that particular paste special, you will know. There is nothing insert because that column is already there. I will again do what I have done for reference of others. The value is PD Express, but the content is a formula. Whereas I want only the value here because 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 doesn't have a meaning. So I take the whole column, Control C, I come here, right click, paste special, I come and give this one and here it goes. I don't want this column, so I simply delete this column. Is that clear now? Everybody?
Yeah, it is okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Now you will have to save this. Don't forget to save this. Right? We have saved this. Now what we will do, we will go and then take any one cell, Control A, it has taken the complete table, right? And then Control C, I have copied it. Then I will come and put it in this Control V. Is that clear to everyone what I did? I have taken the complete order information of the whole thing up to order month, up to 891 rows it is total. Now I have come here and then this I have done. Is that clear up to this? Is that clear, please?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go ahead, sir.
Now I want only if you really look at this place, the first customer is Alfred Futakiste. That is what I have here. Then second customer I have, third customer, around on fourth customer. All these customers are there up to 891 crores. Now, what is my requirement now in this dashboard? What is my requirement? What all of you would like to know, if I select a customer, what will you like to see now? On the order history, will you like to see everybody's, or what is your choice? If given a choice, what will you like to see? That is what I am asking. Is the question clear or it is not clear?
Only the order of customer name you have selected.
Only all those orders for the customer name. That is what I want. I don't want everything. Everything if I want, then I would have simply gone to here, Then there is nothing like a dashboard. I have everything here. So I don't want that. I want, if I select here this customer, I want all the orders for that customer only. Is that right? Okay, this is what we are going to see. If that happens, we will be very happy, really. Yes or no? Yes or no? Two ways of doing it. We can now put a filter here from here to here, and then when we select here, that filter should work here. So manually we can do. But then that is how we should not work. We should work smartly. Now, one thing you must be knowing, this is the customer, and here the customer name has been given as shipper name or ship name, whatever it is. Somebody made a mistake. So now, first of all, we will have to change this as customer name. The same name what we have given in B2, B2E, we have given, customer space name. We will give the same name. Is that clear to all of you? Can I proceed, please? Can I?
Yeah, please, sir, you proceed.
Okay. Now there are some more things which we may have to do. What we can do, order ID heading is on the left side, whereas the details are on the details are on the right side. So it doesn't look nice. So we will take this. Order date also we will right align. Required date we can right align. Shipped date we can right align. Shipper name can be there. Order amount again is this one, right align. Order month, all these things are okay. Now what we will have to do is, we will have to use something like advanced action, right? So what we will do, we will go and click anywhere in this place. Now we studied something about format as table. You remember, people who attended those things, you remember? Now what we will do, we will make this as format as table. So what we will have to do, first I will select the whole thing now. When I select, it takes all these things. Okay. I will now take this and then order ID. Then for only once I will have to give the range. So I'll go here. Alright. What is the shortcut to go to the last row? Can somebody tell me? Because I have been using Mac only. So Windows, what is the shortcut? Can somebody help me? Now I will have to go. If it is Control
End.
Control end. Or control downward arrow. What is that?
Downward. Control downward arrow, sir.
Downward arrow. I have gone. Now the problem is, I can go to the last row. How do I select all those things? That is what we are supposed to do. No. We are supposed to select. So is there any shortcut?
Control shift
Shift down arrow. Control shift down arrow. Will it work?
Yeah, will work.
Control shift down arrow. It has worked. Now we will go
Yes.
to April. Oh, sorry. Because we will have to use this kind of shortcuts, otherwise the number of rows are very high. So that is why. So control shift down arrow, then I leave the control, then I take the shift. So the whole thing is now done. Now what I will have to do, I will have to format as table. Let me give the same color, matching color, some extent. So the table is from B14 to B844. It has got a header. This is what now I have. Am I right? The table is made now. So I think you must be knowing how I did format as table. Select the range, including the heading, and then say go to home and say format as table. You got that. This we have done earlier also. Now, what we will have to do is, I have got a filter here, a customer name filter. Suppose if I am able to filter here the same automatically, then my job is done. Am I right? This is what the requirement, yes or no? That is the requirement to know,
Yes.
please.
Yes.
Okay. Now
Yes.
we are going to see what is meant by, what is meant by advanced option. That is what now we will see in this. We will now save the file, otherwise there can be some problem. Now what we will have to do is, we go and click anywhere in the, now what is happening, this particular range is also named as a table, please remember. Okay, if you go to table design, you will have the table name here. You can just look at it, that you will have a name is given here. Are you able to see? And whenever you made it as a table, this particular thing will again open. Please remember, table design. Previously it was not there. Now table design has been opened. Am I right? Fine. Now shall we proceed? Now you click anywhere. Pardon me? Yes? Somebody said something. Yes? Can I hear again, please? Okay, fine. Now you click anywhere and then go to, we will have to now definitely go for an advanced filter. So far all of you must have been using filter. Now we are going to talk something advanced filter. This place, you have got a sort A to Z or Z to A and a filter. Then we have got an advanced filter. I don't know how many of you have used advanced filter so far. Anyone? Anyone have used advanced filter, please? Can someone help me? Or shall I proceed?
Please proceed. I don't think anybody else has, sir.
Okay. Now what we will have to do is, please remember, we need to take this option. We will have to take this option. I will again tell you, we will have to take this particular advanced. So what I will do, I will go and click advanced option. Now, since I have clicked anywhere in the table, it knows that I will have to take that table as the list range, because I have given a table name. If I have not given a table name, this will not work. So let's look at this, what it tells us at this point. Please have a close look at this only now. So it says filter the list in place. That means please filter the list in the same place. That is one. And do we want it to be copied to another location? That is what it says. Do we want it? No, we don't want it to be placed in another location. Just have a look at it. No, we don't want. So we will not have it. And it also wants a criteria range. Now, what is this criteria range it has given? $B, $2 to $E, $3. Can somebody tell me what is $B, $2 to $E, $3? Can somebody tell me what it is? What is that? It is the customer name and it is this one. Both put together. Okay. This one is getting changed. So we will cancel again. You remember this is where customer name and this one is there. So we will again go to advanced filter. It is now telling me you will have to select and I have put $B to $E. Now before that, what we will do, since I am going to have Acha, please tell me in your dashboard, will you like to have these kind of things appearing? Will it look nice? Yeah, along with the heading, a downward arrow. Will it look nice? Can somebody tell me? Does it look nice in a dashboard? Yes? Am I audible, please?
But what information we are looking at, that should be there. Otherwise,
Correct.
if it,
Along with this downward arrow, would you like to have it?
no downward arrow.
So first of all, we'll have to go and remove this downward arrow. So what we go to the table design and then we remove this filter button now. What did I do? I will again do. We go to table design, then there was a downward, there is a button top, if you remember. This button that is what we are supposed to remove. So if I click this button, the downward arrows come. If I remove it, the downward arrows are gone. Right? So if you do this only, it looks good. Otherwise, it looks very bad. Now go back to data, go to advanced filter. Now everything is done. The whole range is there. And what I want to filter is also available. Now I've done it. Now what has happened? Can somebody tell me? Only for this particular customer, all things have come out. Magic, isn't it? It's absolute magic. Am I right or wrong?
Absolutely right.
Whenever I do, I feel very happy that we are doing some magic. Now, what I will do, I will again go back and do the whole thing for your benefit. Up to this, there is no confusion for any one of you. What we did, we went there, copied the whole thing. We came back here. We copied from A14 or B14. Then we clicked anywhere. We went and format as table. Then the table name it was giving. Then what we did, we clicked in any one place. We went to the table design. We removed the filter button because it doesn't look nice. Then I went back to data. Then I did an advanced filter. Then I just clicked. Now I got whatever customer I have selected. I got the data for this customer. Happy, all of you?
Okay, sir.
Now, can I take a small break for me to have a cup of water? Can somebody do it, please? Whatever I did so far, because then I want to know. It is better that you do yourself so that you feel happy. Anyone who wants to volunteer may please come forward. I am stop sharing my screen. So whoever wants to share the screen, please tell me. I will make you as the presenter. Yes, please.
I'll be happy to listen because I missed the first few minutes of the presentation because I
Right,
was
sir.
in another IASB meeting.
Okay, sir. But then okay, fine. Now, can I?
No, anybody else? What do you
Vadivel Saab, you are on laptop.
Yeah, I'm in the laptop only, sir, but I'm not having that much of confidence to present.
Sir, that
So I
is
have
why
to
I'm
learn
asking
now.
you, sir. That is why I'm asking you to do. Precisely, I am asking you to do only for that.
Vadivel, I was also in the same picture, but I started and then. Okay.
Vadivel, what happens, sometimes the the faculty decides. So I have decided. Please go
Okay.
ahead. Nothing wrong. See, I also would like to know, whether at all I am communicating properly or not. Otherwise, I will not have the satisfaction. Yeah. Okay. If I keep quiet, others can guide Mr. Vadivel. Acha, you have done the customer name filtering. You have done already or not? Upar on the customer name.
No,
Go
sir.
to B4. First, you will have to do that. Customer name. No. Here, dashboard mein. Dashboard mein customer name. No, sir. Customer name. Go and click there. Have you done the filter? You have not done
No,
the
sir, I'll do
filter.
it.
First you do that. Can somebody help him? Yeah, okay, please do. You will have to tell and do, sir. Go to
Okay, data validation.
Yes.
Data validation here. Then any value. Decimal list. Is it any value or list?
I will not tell, sir. It is list. Others
Okay,
can
let's
please
take
help Mr. Vadivel.
So then is it the source?
Source, you click on the source box. Don't do that, Don't do this because, you will lose track. No. You always from here. Source. Where is the source for customer name?
Customer info.
Yes. Click it.
Now how to link it?
Click it, sir. Customer info,
No,
click it.
not that
No,
way.
please. No, Vadivel. Go back. Click customer info.
I did the same mistake, Vadivel. Don't worry.
Click the customer info now, please. Click it.
Yeah, just to click that.
It's not going, sir.
Why it is not doing?
No. You go and click that info,
You go
customer
and click,
info.
it should work.
Now just
Left click. Left click. It's not working.
It's not
Yes,
working.
sir. It's not working for me as well, sir.
The old version it will not be available, sir.
Okay, sir.
we are having a touchpad, you have to simply touch.
Acha, do one thing. 1 minute. What happened? Vadivel, what happened to your screen?
Yes, sir.
Go. Okay, if it is not working, please. Go and write what I am telling. Source may please go and
Are you
write.
able to
Vadivel, we are
Sir, are you able
seeing.
to see my screen?
We are able to see your screen. Please go back.
Okay.
No. You will have to go and select. You go and again do the thing. Go click there. Data validation.
Okay. Data validation.
Data validation. List. Now, if you are not able to click, okay, you go and do in your own way. Let me see whether it is coming. You wanted that only single box. Go on the source end may you go on. No. Okay.
This way?
Nice,
Oh,
sir.
it's not moving, sir.
Now click whether it is coming. It is not coming for you. Maybe some.
Not coming, sir.
Okay, then go and write in that place. Customer. Please write. Customer.
It should be with capital. C will be capital.
No, sir. It may not matter. Customer info. No, it will not work that way. Customer info, then, sir, you write right. Customer info. Yeah, we can select in 2007. I do not know what version Mr. Vadivel is having. I'm not sure.
Must be 2013, sir.
No, 2013 it should work immediately. There is no issue.
So that is a problem, sir.
And if you are having 2013, it should definitely work. I don't see why it will not work. See, you will not write Vadivel customer info. After that, you will not write equal to, first of all. Equal to,
Okay.
no, equal to customer info. Equal to, no sir. Sir, you please wrap everything. Now put an equal to sign, double quote, custom, double quotes. Vadivel, double quote, customer space info, customer, the tab name, the sheet name you will not write, customer space info, double quote,
Okay.
close it, double quote, then you will have to put one exclamation mark, then you will not write A2, double dot or colon, A2 colon A92. 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 The range you are telling. The range. Okay. Now enter Marie. Whether the formula has come niche. Yeah. Customer info A2 to A92. Now. Okay, Poli. You please tell okay. No. What is happening? Permission about the common. Okay. No. Equal to. Then you do one thing. You go and instead of double quote, you write double colon, double dot, remove that and then put a double colon in that place. Remove the double dot, A2 double dot in that place, double dot, you please remove and then give me double quote. Both the dots you remove, put a double quote and see whether it is working. Yeah, just see. Only see. No sir, double dot colon only once, not 2 times. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Let me see. What is the problem? It should work, no?
For information about fixing common formula problem, click help to get assistance in
Okay, go back.
Sir, if there is other way of doing it, sir, if I could help.
Yeah, please help him because
Yeah,
no.
Sir, you can close that window, sir. You can just close that thing. So,
Okay.
so you can come to any cell, sir, and you can come to cell number F. You can come to cell number F. You can come. Okay, sir. Equal to, you press equal to.
Acha, this session will
And now you select that table, sir. Now you select the customer info table.
Okay.
see in his.
Now it is come. So now you take that reference, sir. A1 to you select from A1 to. No, sir. No need to do physical. You just click it there, sir. You can click it in A so that it will automatically pick it.
Company name nahi.
Just-
A2 le. You have to select from A2.
You just click A, sir. You just click A, sir. Full A.
Full A. We don't want that header.
Okay. Then you can select it from A2 to others. Okay.
Acha, this session will end. We will meet after 15 minutes again.
Okay, sir. Now you press enter, sir. Now you press enter.